shopping's all done, so now it's time to go and cook. Today we're going to be making a bobotie. That's a typical South African dish. In fact, some say it's the national dish of South Africa. Quite a contentious background. Some say it came from the Malays, others say it was a Dutch recipe. But they brought their flavors and their food to South Africa. And the result is bobotie. Also lots and lots of delicious curries, lots and lots of flavor in their food. And if you ever get a chance to go to the Boer Kaap, Cape Town, you absolutely have to. Onions going, and then we're going to add the curry powder and the mince. Okay, the onions are nice and translucent now, so in goes the curry powder. Put that off for a little bit. Cover the onions nicely with the spices. Oh, it smells absolutely divine. Okay, and then in goes the mince. I like to just crumble it over. And it's going to be cooked in the oven, so you don't need to cook the mince thoroughly now. It's really just to brown it and to get some of this flavor of the curry onto the meat. While the meat's cooking up, we need to soak the bread. So take the milk and pour it over the slice of bread and let it soak up. We're going to mush that bread up with a fork just now, but keep the milk because that's going to be used for the custard topping. The meat's been frying up nicely. We've got our soggy bread to add in and all the other ingredients. Now we're going to give that a good mix and then let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then we put it into a pre-greased baking dish, something to go in the oven, and we will cook it for about 20 minutes just to let the meat dry out a bit, and then we'll put the custard dressing on top. Oh, it smells absolutely divine. Okay, whisk up egg and milk. Then some people prefer to put almonds. I like cashews. It gives it a nice kind of creamy flavor. Not too much. Just also gives it a nice crunch. That should do it. Of course, the bay leaves as decoration on top. There we go. It's safely tucked into the oven. 25 minutes and then it'll be ready. So that means time for another glass of wine. Let's see what it looks like. Absolutely divine. There we go. You can see the top is nicely set. We'll let that cool a little bit and then nom nom nom, Saffa food.